If you do your work on a Mac and you need to SSH into a remote server to perform some task, then you can use the many wonderful SSH clients out there, including Terminus. However, if you work for a company or an organization that has very strict governance on what you can install on your work computer, and approval might take a week, but you have a looming deadline. In that case, you can just use the terminal in your Mac. Every Mac terminal shipped with a SSH client straight out of the box. In my case, I'm using iTerm2 terminal, which is completely free. The standard terminal in your Mac will work as well. To use the SSH client in your terminal, all you have to do is open your terminal and type SSH and provide the rest of the details. So this is the scenario. You're provided with this IP address. Obviously, you're going to strip out the protocol, right? You're going to go to some server somewhere remotely. You have a username and they give you a password. Obviously, for security reason, I'm going to use fictitious data. You're going to go SSH, your username, and the IP address. Press enter. If your username and address is legit, then it will ask you to enter your credentials for that username. And then if your password is correct, then you will have access to that remote server and you will get this prompt here for you to enter your next command. Now, the first time you remote into a server with a particular server, you might get a little dialog box that says, are you sure you want to remote into this computer? Obviously, yes. And then once you're in the Linux server, you can run whatever Linux command that is authorized to you by your credentials. Obviously, I've blacked out some things for security reasons. And that's pretty much it. And then if you want to get out of here, you would just type exit on the prompt and go back to your normal terminal. Easy as that. You don't need to install any extra tooling. Okay, my dear friends, hopefully this was helpful for you. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It is completely free. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.